Hello friends, and welcome back to HTML5 course. In this class we are going to discuss about how to work with div tag. What is div tag? I'm just going to show an example of div tag. So you can see this layout which is created inside the HTML, and this the header area, this the sidebar, and this the content is called you can say body or section, and this the footer. We can just divide this area by the help of div tag. For example, we can divide this this area should be just 100 pixel of width or height for the footer, and this area should be for the header, sidebar, and main content. If you just focus on this area, we have two sidebar and one main content, and header section and footer section. So in this class we are just going to create a layout just like this inside the div tag. So I have notepad++ open, and this is the basic structure, this is the title, and I have saved this page by giving the name div.html. So I'm just going to create a div starting tag and div closing tag. You can copy and paste, and this one is header, this one is navigation, this one is sidebar, this one is main content, and this one is footer, and this one extra. I'm just going to remove this and Control S. Now this file is on the desktop inside the HTML5 practice folder by the name of div. You can just go to here and open this, double click on this to open. Now you can see we have just some text here and nothing more. Now just come inside the first div tag, and you can use a style tag here, and after that equal sign and double quotation, and inside this equal sign you can just say the width of your header. Width of your header should be, I'm just saying, 1000 pixel, and the height should be just, I'm saying, 100 pixel, and the background should be orange, and margin 0 and auto. Control S and come here, you can refresh. Now you can see we have a header here. 1000 pixel is the width and 100 pixel is the height, and the background is orange. After that we have navigation. Just you can come here and open a style tag, equal sign, double quotation. The width of your navigation should be just 1000 pixel, the same, and the height should be 60 pixel. The background color should be blue, and margin 0 and auto. Do not forget to give the margin 0 and auto. Control S, come here and refresh. Now this is called navigation. After that we have sidebar. Just you can open another style tag, equal sign, double quotation. The width of your sidebar, for example, 250 pixel, and the height 650 pixel, and the background, for example, gray, and the margin 0 and auto. You can not 0 and auto, just float left or right, left. Control S, just come here and refresh. Now you can see we have a problem here because it's coming just outside of this 1000 pixel. And what's the solution? You can just use a div tag here, div start, and after all this you can close the div tag, div close. Inside this div tag you can define a class. Class is equal to, you can say, count, and just inside the CSS, I'm just using some CSS here. You can open a style tag open, and a style tag close. Inside this dot count, the width should be just, I'm saying, 1000 pixel, and no height is auto, and margin, no margin, it means 0 in auto, and padding also the same, 0 and auto. You can save and come here and refresh. Now you can see we have a sidebar here, and I'm just going to give the height not 650, just 600 pixel. Control S. After that we have main content. You can open a style tag, equal sign, double quotation, and the width of your main content should be just 750 pixel, and the height should be just 600 pixel, and the height should be just 600 pixel, and the background should be pink and float right. You can just close this and Control S, come here and refresh. So we have some problem, main content, and this is just the closing. Main content, oh, we have forgot to put just this sign. Control S, come back and refresh. So this is the main content. Now we will go for footer. Just open a style tag, style, equal sign, double quotation, and the width of your footer should be just 1000 pixel, the same like header, and the height should be just 100 pixel, and the background should be black, and just Control S and refresh. So there is one more attribute, it's called clear. When you find a problem, when you face a problem, so use this attribute, clear both, so it will solve the problem. Control S and refresh. Now this footer, if we just zoom out from here, so you can see we have a layout here. This is the header, navigation, sidebar, main content, and this is the footer. So by the help of div tag, we can create this kind of layout, and we can divide the area or the section. So I hope that you are understand what is div tag and how we can use the div tag. In next class we will come back, we will discuss how we can insert image inside the HTML. So till next class, just watch this video and do a lot of practice. Have a nice time and see you.